So hello and good afternoon. This is Friday the 12th of September 2025. I'm just going to do a little bit of a different video for you today. I'm in Tunstall, which is in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire, and I'm going to just have a look around the high street. Now the reason I say this is a little bit different, normally when we walk around the high street we always do it on a Sunday morning, really early, so I thought today we'll do it later. So it is now 2:06 p.m. on a Friday afternoon. Let's go and check it out and have a look at it for you. So this looks a new shop here. We've got One Stop Nutrition, so they must do like all bodybuilding supplements and everything for you there. We've got ST6 mini market across the road. Again, that's something I can't remember seeing last time I come through Tunstall. Neuro Vision. Let's go fishing. Let's look at that one. That's got all like Motability scooters and everything out. And look at this sweet shop. Pretty good. Then we've got bargain wheels. Let's have a look what we've got in bargain wheels. So we've got all tubs and buckets, sunflowers. Look at all these amazing flowers they've got outside here, all artificial. They look really good. And then we've got all brushes and everything in there. And the shop does look absolutely massive. Let's carry on up the high street. We've got music here, so we'll have to keep talking to you a minute while we go past there, just so nobody can hear that. There's not a lot of people about. Look at this one. Mr. Smoke. Wow. Now there's always a tiger bite somewhere. We've got tiger bite there, looky, across the road, so they do some absolutely amazing pizza. Look at golden desserts there. Again, I can't remember seeing that. And then Hayer Superstore. Again, that looks like something new that's come to Tunstall. Let's carry on. So we've got a shop here, look here, with all water and everything outside. That's another convenience store, and that's another store I think that has reopened since I last came. So it looks like Tunstall has picked up a little bit. We've got the post office there, and then the old Barclays Bank. But look at the building. The building's absolutely beautiful, stunning building. 1898 AD. 1898, sorry, AD, and it's the bank chambers all over the wall there. So the buildings here are, like I say, just absolutely spectacular. You can't get anything better. And look at the Savers store. That's pretty amazing. So let's just head up a little bit further now. Another beautiful building there, looky, but as I say, unfortunately derelict, nobody in it. And then we've got the main building there, the town hall, Tunstall Town Hall. right in front of us. Shame about these buildings here, like all closed, but do look a mess. Very windy day today. So I'm testing out the new DJI Mic 3, so I hope it is giving you really good sound on this very windy day. And there's Star Mini Market. Now years ago that used to be Boots, and then it went to a motor place. Well, let's just have a look at the town hall. That's pretty amazing, that is. And then we'll have a look now up Tower Square. Let's just see what we can see up Tower Square here. We'll go have a look at the clock tower. We'll check the clock tower out. And we've got Lily's Nails. And we've got another shop, unfortunately, with the window all broken and smashed, so that's a shame. And then up the top here, as I say, we've got the clock tower, and the clock tower is absolutely stunning. There's the time right. Yeah, it's right. 2:13. And we've got like a Tunstall fish bar here, a chip shop. And believe me, that really smells good. So yeah, pretty good there. But the clock tower, looking spectacular. Really nice. So let's just let's cross over and see what all the flags are. There's cars coming everywhere. It's so busy. Can't believe how busy it actually is round here for cars today. And he's got bloody music on now. So here we are. There's the clock tower again. I don't know what these flags are. Let's just go have a look. They look as if they have been there for quite a good while, look you, and pretty faded. Oh, it's for the 100-year anniversary. Let's take another look at the clock tower just from this part here. Looks amazing, that does, with that little bit of blue sky there. And let's just have a look down Tower Square at the town hall. Pretty good. So this is Forster Street in Tunstall. We'll just have a quick wander up Forster Street, see what's happened there. There's still quite a few boarded up places there, and then we'll start heading back towards the town again. So most of these places here, just along here, look, are closed. There's not a lot of action at all here, unfortunately. And then we've got the school. Well, it was a school. I'm just going to have a look what it actually is now. It's something like Tunstall Shore Start, I think it says there. Yeah, Tunstall Shore Start Centre. So I've no idea really what that will be. So I'm just coming back now to head towards Tunstall. I'm going to turn right here, and then we'll start walking towards Tunstall roundabout. This is Hoe Street. We've got a few shops in front of us there. We've got Your Move, and then right in the middle of the picture there, that used to be Mr. Big Deals. which did quite badly burn out, but at the moment now it's TS Domestics. So they must be selling cookers and fridges and everything like that from there. That's pretty amazing. Again, I think that's only just recently opened up, and that's that right there on the corner, looky. Unbelievable. So we've got Yummy kitchen open, and then in front of us we've got the great big Tunstall roundabout. But all down here now, look, it's all food shops. And then we've got the casino. Check that out. Pretty good. Now the cafe, which used to be a pub straight in front of me there, that's now a mini market. So we've got a load of these mini markets about. That's pretty incredible. We've got the Douglas Macmillan Hospice there. That's really run down. And then let's just have a look at the main buildings across here, really. So starting at the top, we've got the electrics and furniture, we've got the vape store, we've got old Eric Alcock's, the grey building there that's been done up, and it says to let on it. Rumblow's 131, the blue store, and that's got a sign on it now, look here, the cheap shop. So I don't know whether that's opened or is going open, but that's interesting. It looks like the Rumblow's building could be taken again there. But look at the one next door to it. What a mess that is. And Toast to the Town. Don't that look a mess? But the one now just over the Buzz, that looks absolutely shocking, that does. Look at the windows. There's no windows in that. They're all completely smashed and they aren't even boarded up because the boards are falling off. That's just horrendous. Let's just have another look that way at the top end of Tunstall town. Now, saying it's a Friday afternoon, it's not like Tunstall used to be. Friday afternoons and Saturdays in Tunstall used to be absolutely rammed. I can remember walking up here at this part of the town and you couldn't actually stand on the pavement for people. There was that many people coming up. Now the big white building there, for years and years that used to be Burton's. Burton's closed and it's now turned into the bed plug. Let's carry on. They've got more empty stores here. Look, this one was an off licence. It's got a broken window and the window's all smashed. And then we've got the blind half open there. Look, and you can see they must be doing some work in there. There's just wood and shop fittings absolutely everywhere. And then down here, this is where Mum and Dad always used to park the car, and the building directly in front of me used to be Naylor's Menswear, and that used to be a shop window there with all clothes in it. How nice they've done the pavement and everything here as we get near the town hall. That looks really good. The wind now is horrendous. And then we've got the subway going across the boulevard. And look at the telephone box we've got here. All the windows, well, not all, but the window at the side completely smashed out of that. What a shame. And then we've got the really nice building, the bank. My word, I can't tell you now just how strong the wind is. If the mic's shielding that, it's doing very well. And there's a look now straight up into Tower Square. I think we're probably going to have to cut the video short here now due to the weather. The rain is really starting to come on, which is a shame. So I'm just speeding up and walking down towards the car a little bit quicker now. Look at the place here, the bank, that building. You know, it's just such a shame it's empty. It's beautiful, absolutely stunning. The architecture and that, and the planning is fantastic.
Tunstall.
So I've got a guy here, he's born and raised in Tunstall.
Born and raised in Tunstall. They're all my mates there.
They're all there, are they, your mates?
Yeah, and to be honest with you, he's a shithole, but he's the best shithole in the country.
I agree with you probably there.
No worries.
Thanks, mate. See you later. So that guy's just spoke to me on the camera, and he's told you what he thinks of Tunstall. So let's keep going back down. We're heading right into the sun here now, and like I say, this is the old Barclays Bank, and then we've got the post office here at the end. Not been in the post office for years. Let's have a quick look. There you are. Quick look in the post office for you there. And we've got all these little mini markets that I'm walking past, and they look quite big, and they do look like they've got quite a lot of stuff in there. So I hope you've enjoyed this very short video I've done for you today of Tunstall on a Friday afternoon. And I will state it again, it's not a Sunday morning, it's a Friday afternoon. There's one or two people about, but nothing like I used to remember Tunstall. So if you've enjoyed the video, please like, please share, and of course please subscribe, and we'll see you again on another video somewhere real soon.